The following is the background of the Rentaka company, which has been run by Mr. Muhammad Zikri bin Muhammad Kidir. The company was established in 2019 until now. The company is also known as a company providing sport and casual wear printing service. There are several types of products produced by this company. Among them are jersey, jacket, and layer.
The following is the SWOT of the analysis we study. Strength, provide the service to customer. Second, good service to satisfy customer. Weakness, item on advertising packaging and corporate are less attractive to customer in terms of color selection, font, and also the type of packaging. Company that is too small to make a promotion. For the opportunities, the opportunity to compete with other competitors is too difficult. Looking for people who want to become an agent in carrying out for the business. Threats, for the first, higher quality competition give a competitive effect and competition with Alesan brand company.
The problem identified is on the logo because it does not have a uniform design. Furthermore, on advertising, advertising is less in terms of customer attraction and does not have a uniform concept for advertising. As for packaging, the existing packaging is not very attractive and the packaging design is not have a concept. The solution we suggest is that we do a rebranding on the logo as well as provide new advertising for the product. We have also improved the packaging on the packaging. For the concept, we use the concept geometry. What is meant by geometry is the emphasis and also the emphasis that we use in the design. For example, in packaging design, corporate identity design and advertising, almost all of us use the concept of geometry.
The inspiration for our logo idea is from the pattern on this home kit. We were inspired to create the company logo using the concept of the trapezium and triangle-shaped geometry.
Each company logo has a corporate color for their identity and trademark. Rentaka company use two colors to carry a specific meaning. First color is cyan blue. It's a bright, making it a wonderful addition to designs. It is typically associated with liveliness, youth, and energy, and is often interchanged with turquoise. Second color is blue, became a symbol on which the nation could count on their warriors on the field. This is a corporate item that we have produced for this company. For corporate item, we use a combination of two colors, namely cyan blue and blue. The use of white color selection looks clean.
Next, in advertising, we use 3 teaser series to introduce the company's new innovation product.
This is the launching poster for our innovation product. We also use a uniform concept of geometry on the poster. The function for flyer is to attract attention. We promote this security product to buyers.
Next is the jersey clothing packaging box, and it is also the primary packaging for the jersey packaging to protect the product. Next up is the jersey cloth hanger box. We create an easy to carry packaging with a cloth hanger on top of the packaging.
conclusion is, it will be able to help the company in the design as well as the quality of the packaging. Advertising and corporate identity so far seem to be consistent by using one common concept.